Good morning, good morning, good morning, everybody. Welcome to Power Plays Palace. It's your boy, man. We back again with another one. It was an eventful day yesterday, man. But let's get down to the charts, man. Let's see what we got today. Mm-mm-mm. Boom. So yesterday we were looking for SPY. If it broke out above the pre-market high, to push up the 747, 748.01, 750, 752. And if it pulled back the support area, we was looking at targets of 745.42, 747, and 748.01. And if we got a rejection near the pre-market high, we was going to be looking at 744, 742, and 740.90. But if we had a push down past the pre-market low, we was looking at 742, 740.90, and 739. And then we had 737. Just in case, because we have some wild swings from time to time. So let's look at the chart, man. Let's see what we got here. Oh. All right. Boom. All right. So on yesterday, what SPY did was, right at the open, man, SPY went, and it went all the way down to 742.38. And once it got there, established that low, boy, look at the ride it took. It went from 742.38 all the way up to 749.42. He had a brief little pullback. Then we had to push up here to 749.37. So it didn't quite get back up there, but then it did right there at 749.42. And after that, man, it started to pull back. And it ended up closing the day at 745.79. So we had a quick pull down at the open, a long ride up, and then we had a little consolidation here. It's a $1.50 range, a nice little range. Then we had a pullback. And that's what we had yesterday, man. And that was an interesting day. So and that's crazy because you could have played it. And then as you can see from this morning, we had some consolidation overnight. That's what I call them sideways plays. Then we came down early to 744.25. And then it slowly but surely worked its way all the way up past the high of the day from yesterday. So it retested. And then it pulled back here. So it's currently sitting right now at 747.44. So we'll see what happens when the market opens. So let's get to the chart. Let's get to our chart, man, for the day. Now, for the day, because we got that big push up, man, right there this morning, broke the previous day high and everything. If SPY can get back up there and reclaim that level, we're looking at an entry around 749.60 to 750. 10 with our stop below 747.75. Targets being 752, 754.50, and 757 and 760, man. It could pop up there, man. We don't know. That's a nice little run up this morning. And if it pull back to the support and then try to push up, we're looking at 747, 749.50, and 752. Now, if we get a rejection around that pre-market high, which it looked like it did earlier, so we'll see what happens later on. But we're looking at an entry around 749, 749.50. Targets being 747, 744.25, and 742.38. And if we get a breakdown below the pre-market low, we're looking at an entry 744, 743.7. Our stop loss above 745.50. Target 742.38, 740, and 737.50. And that's going to be our trade plan for today. I want to look forward to seeing how everything play out, man. It should be a very interesting experience for us all. And then from there, man, we'll just move forward and get it going. But in the meantime, let's get prepared for our trade plan for the day, man. Be safe in the market. Do not overplay it. And if you don't feel comfortable, don't trade, man. You know, there's nothing wrong with that. In the meantime, man, we're going to have some fun. Continue to do what you do. And then we'll see y'all tomorrow, man. It's Power Plays Palace. And if you want to, man, like, share, and subscribe. Join the network. If you want to get over and trade with us, come over to the Discord, man. You know, it's Power Plays Palace, man. Let's do what we do. But in the meantime, we out of here. Let's have a good one, man. We'll see y'all in the next one.